I didn't think getting up at 5 would be this hard. Living abroad has taught me I cannot rely on comfort. So I started waking up at 5 a.m. to prepare for 2026. This is my 5 a.m. routine while living abroad. After I get up, I make my bed, and there's something about just doing your bed immediately after getting up. It helps me not go back to bed, even if I'm tempted to. Winters in Korea are very cold, so I get myself very warm and comfortable. Then I make myself a cup of ginger tea. When my ginger tea is ready, I know it is time for me to do my Bible study. I like having a warm drink while I read because it slows me down. It makes my mornings feel calm, my mind clear and not rushed. Starting my morning slow helps me clear my mind. And once my head is settled, I move my body.
Especially as you're walking the feet out, exhale all the way. And then you can inhale as you walk the feet back up. The same thing, keep that back glued to the floor. Good, we get staying down here, feet flat above your head. We want to not even think about our feet, just lifting the legs using the low abs and then control. Nice job. 15-second rest. We're going to come up to our elbows. Should already be engaged. You're going to extend one leg at a time. Again, you can drop it with your leg bent, tapping the heel to the floor, or to make this harder, extending the leg. Lifting through your upper body. We don't want to be doing anything like this, piking. Reach for motion with the lower abs. So
Another thing I love about getting up early is that I don't feel rushed. And after my shower, I can take my time with my skincare routine, and that feels grounding. It feels like I'm in charge. There's no pressure, just a slow moment for myself. Oh my gosh. Flash. I think it looks good. I don't know my earrings now. Okay, I'm so late. Let's go make breakfast. After getting ready, I make myself a healthy, balanced breakfast along with my morning coffee. Breakfast is my favorite meal of the day, and it is the part of the morning I always look forward to. And today for my breakfast, I'm having boiled eggs, 2 boiled eggs with a little bit of chili oil on top for flavor and aromas, of course. Avocado on a toast. Then for the morning fruit, I am having a tangerine, which we call it an orange in South Africa. And let me give you a tip. If you're looking into eating more healthy food, plan your meals in the week. So on the weekend I planned this is the breakfast I'll be eating this week. So Monday through Friday I'll be eating the very same thing, just so that I don't have to decide what to eat in the morning, to take away the pressure. Thank you for spending the morning with me. I'm actually running a bit late, so I'm just gonna eat quickly and go to work. I hope you have a very beautiful day. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and give me a like. And today is Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Have a lovely day. Mwah.